Greetings, my little solar students. We're finally kind of coming down to the crux of what this course is about. We're going to be doing our site analysis for the Carbondale Library tomorrow at 1 p.m. Hope you guys all remember, and I'll see you there. Basically what we're trying to do now is to bridge that gap between the system sizing and the actual placement of solar system inverters, all the integrated parts and pieces, into where it's actually going to fit on the roof or on the ground. Placement of inverters so that we get the most efficient use from the system that we have, and the proper placement of disconnects, etc. So as we kind of go through this process, we'll be taking what you guys have learned as far as system sizing so far and applying that to an economical analysis of how much wiring and how much conduit and how everything kind of fits together once we actually see the site. Since we don't really have to do a solar site analysis so much because it's a new building, there isn't any trees available right around it, we won't have to do a pathfinder analysis, but we'll probably take a look around, just kind of get an idea of what you look for when you're on the job site. So as we go through that and continue through this and start writing up the project will start taking the form of doing the design component of this, which, since we have kind of an interesting roof over there where it's a part of it's north facing, part of it's south facing, part of it's flat, we'll have a lot of different opportunities to use our creativity in our design mode. For those of you who stick around for ENY 130, we'll be doing the install for this library over the course of the summer. So that's how the big picture, the big scheme works on this part of it. As we start designing the project, you guys can work as a team and come up with different ideas as far as cost analysis. Over the next 5 or 6 weeks, we'll really start doing an assessment of how much we can actually get up there as well, because since we have only so much space available and so much money to spend, there's certain parameters by which we need to size this system, so that'll come to the picture and go from there. Alright, well, this is kind of the beginning of actually installing some systems, so good luck, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.